On today's tip from Tammy, we're going to have some real talk about why it matters how you care for your clothes. I know it's tempting to just throw all your clothes in the washer, and if you have a dryer, to throw them in the dryer. But let's look at some facts around washing and drying your clothes and what happens to those fibers. In this day and age, I don't think people are dry cleaning their clothes just because they don't want to take time to wash them. But let's also look at some facts and figures about dry cleaning. So just like you can think of the most sustainable item for your wardrobe is the one already hanging in your closet, you can also think that way about washing and drying your clothes. The less you do it, the better off you are. So try and minimize the amount of cleaning you do. Air those clothes out instead of washing them. And when you do need to wash, use a special bag to catch microfibers. For more tips like this delivered to your inbox twice a month, just sign up at the link.